Okay, we're going to put in our flour. This is 3½ cups of flour. I have an additional ½ cup on the side just in case it's too sticky that we need to add more. That was the salt. This was the sugar. We're going to give that a stir around. Then we're going to add the butter, which is at room temperature, so it's very, very soft. Everything has to be at room temperature. Okay, then we're going to add the eggs. And the eggs, we're going to slightly beat them first. And that's just so that they can incorporate nicely. Okay, put the eggs in. And now we're going to put in the milk with the yeast mixture. Make sure you get everything in there. Make sure there's no yeast stuck at the bottom of the glass. Now with our dough hook attachment, we're going to let this go for about 3 minutes and we'll give it a check then. Okay, it's been about 3 minutes and I can see that the dough is still very tacky. So we are going to add a 1/4 cup of flour. Okay, and I think that's going to do it. You just put a little bit at a time so that you don't add more than what you need. And get it back going again. And we'll check it in about 3 minutes again. Okay guys, the dough seems to have come together. I did add the other 1/4 cup of flour and it seems like it's perfect. So it's 4 cups of flour. See how the dough is real nice and pillowy? Okay, I'm going to turn you all around. Okay guys, here's the dough. What we're going to do is we're going to put it into a bowl. We're going to spray the bowl all the way around. We're going to put the dough to rest. We're going to put it in a draft-free place for about an hour, hour and a half. Depends on how warm that place is. I like to put it into the microwave covered. Of course, the microwave is off. And I just leave it in there for about an hour just till it doubles in size. And I'll be back as soon as this is doubled. For the filling of the cinnamon rolls, I have 1 stick of butter, 1 cup of chopped pecans, 1/4 cup of white sugar, a 1/2 cup of brown sugar, some butter, extra butter to line the tray that we're going to be cooking them in, and a pinch of salt. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to get the butter and we are going to put in our sugars and the salt, and we're going to mix this just till the sugars are dissolved. And then we're going to add our pecans. And this is going to be for the filling of the rolls. And we have the dough ready. The dough, as you can see, has doubled in size. And I'm going to get a rolling pin and we're going to roll this out. Okay, with the tray, we're going to get some butter. It's easier if you use melted butter. It just works better. We're going to spread some at the bottom and on the sides, just so that our rolls don't stick. Side. And we're going to take our dough, spit out. It feels so soft. And take all the air out of it. Okay, now we're just going to roll it out. Okay, now we get our filling and we're going to start spreading it as evenly as you can. Best if you just drop little bundles everywhere. Okay, now we start here at the edge and start rolling it. Get it as tight as you can get it and just start rolling it forward, just like that. There we go. Then we get to the edge, roll it over and pinch your bottom. And now we're going to cut it. And what I do is I try to get it right down the middle. Okay, I roll that side over and then just keep cutting in sections, the middle. Okay, now we get our rolls. Take your rolls and just start lining them up. That's all you do. Leave a little space in between because they will puff up. We're going to put these to rest one more time. The dough needs to rise one more time. Looks just like that. We're gonna cover this and we're gonna let it proof one more time. So put it back into a warm place and I'll be back as soon as they have risen. Okay, I'm gonna put the rolls in the oven. They've been proofing for a little under an hour. They're gonna go into a 350-degree oven and I'll be back to let you know how long. Okay guys, the rolls are out of the oven. They're over here. They were in the oven for 30 minutes exactly, and it was a 350-degree oven. Now for the glaze on top, this is a cup and a half of powdered sugar. You got 3 tablespoons of room temperature butter, teaspoon of vanilla, and about a tablespoon of half and half. And we're just gonna put in half of this for right now, and then we're gonna give this all a whisk. Add a little bit more, and I just use a spoon. And I spoon, you want to do this while they're still warm, so when this sets up, I put as much as you want, or as little as you want. Okay everybody, that's the cinnamon rolls. I hope you give it a try. If you have any questions about the dough, please leave them in the comments below and I will get back with you. And that's going to do it for today, guys. Hope you enjoy it. If you like it, give us a big thumbs up. Bye.